Hello YouTubers, I'm sure in every home you will find an air conditioner. But there are versions that are older and they are not support smart features. So for you I give you Ambi Climate. So this is a management electronic that will communicate with your air conditioner and it will send to your device informations about how you want your room to be. Why you cannot do this with your remote control and you can do this with your Ambi Climate? Well, first of all, this intelligent management unit will communicate with your smartphone. You can give commands to open up, close, set the temperature from the smartphone to this Ambi Climate. So for those of you who don't have in your air conditioner a management unit with Wi-Fi, like we have a review with that air conditioner of Samsung that has Wi-Fi built in, so you have all the features there. Well, this Ambi Climate can work with older air conditioner with infrared. It has infrared sensors and it will send informations. So one other feature that you cannot do with the remote control and you can do with the Ambi Climate, well, it can manage up your sleeping mode. So for example, if you set up at night 21 degrees Celsius, you know when you go to sleep your body will start to lower the temperature as you sleep. Well, it's not okay, because after a couple of hours you will get cold in your room. You cannot sleep with your air conditioner turned on. This is the basic idea. Well, this management unit will set up the temperatures automatically when you sleep to make sure you have a good night's sleep, and your temperature it's almost the same to make yourself a good comfort in your sleep. You know, we reviewed that smart air conditioner, which I recommend you guys to watch that video, because it's summer, you want to buy an air conditioner or this Ambi Climate. You can watch both videos and see what it suits you. But for now, for example guys, with smart home device control I can connect and control my air conditioner, and I have a good sleep option. This is the option in 8 hours, or you can insert the number of hours which you are sleeping and the air conditioner will adapt an optimal temperature for you to have a good sleep. So if you don't have this and you have this Ambi Climate, well, it can change a lot of things. And we will start guys by showing you a little bit of this box. It tells us that we have multiple sensor and artificial intelligence. It will ask you some kind of, if you are cold it will rise the temperature, if you are hot it will lower the temperature to make you feel more comfortable. It's a lot smaller than on the box. I was hoping to be bigger, but it's great that it's smaller. The smaller it's the better. You will have the plastic folio, and I got to thank to our friends from Ambi Climate sending us this product for the review. Furthermore guys, in the box, let's see the box first and then we'll see how to set up this product. We will have some let's get started manual, instruction manual, and it will teach you how to plug it, to adapt. I didn't tell you an important thing. It works only with display, not necessarily LED display, but display remote controls. Those who don't have a display, I don't think that it will work. And let's see furthermore in the box guys, we have a power adapter that is 5 volts at 1 amp and the power cable. So guys, before connecting, it has a nice wood support in the bottom side. It has infrared sensors, I think 7 infrared sensors or something on the front. In the back we'll have a micro SD and a normal USB. I think this is for service, and the reset button. Let's plug in and see how it is. And we have a nice LED. And now guys, I'm curious how long it will take for us to connect and set up this mini management tool, let's say management tool for our air conditioner. So now you got to go in the Google Play Store or in the App Store for your Apple device and download the Ambi Climate application. So this is the application. We got to click to sign up to make ourselves an account. So it asks us to select from the list the Ambi Climate 1 or 2, and this is the two versions you can recognize by the single LED. Now we got to AC pairing, device location. We got to open up our device location and set up the Wi-Fi. It asks us to install the device in between 2 and 4 meters from the air conditioner on the wall. So we have 2 meters and it's very good. Next, and we have the Ambi Climate, it's connected. So we see in this process to the Samsung air conditioner, the smart air conditioner, and we have some problems there. We made a video how to fix these problems. So guys, look in our videos because we post every week, and basically if we are posting air conditioner, we will post fixes for that air conditioner. So if you will post a tablet or a TV, we will post another videos with that products with fixes and a lot of stuff for you guys. It's connected to the access point. Okay, the next process is to pair up your brand AC pairing, and you have the brand here. You can insert the brand and model number. It's too bad that I have a old air conditioner named Arctic and it's not listed here. So if the air conditioner is not listed, you have a message here. Let's capture all the modes of your AC remote. Make sure your AC is on during this capturing. Okay, it's on. Let's click OK and point your remote controller to the Ambi Climate and press the mode button. So now it asks us to bring up the mode button, and I think the mode button is this button, who you will switch to the cold, heat up, ventilate, and point to the device and press. So I don't have individual buttons for or a mode button like it tells me. Even if you don't have a mode button, click don't have a mode button, and now you have to click a single signal from the remote control. So cover up your sensor from the remote control, go, and at the last position go straight to the sensor, and now it will switch and you hear the small beep, and this mode is the cold mode, and click next. And now the heat mode asks us for the heat position covered up with the sensor, and go until, and the next click will be the heat position. And now let's see, hit the sensor of Ambi Climate noticed. Now the dry button, let's see, this, I think this has a night mode. I'm not convinced, but I think this is a night mode. And the next is the dry position, and I will leave it next to the night mode. And let's see now, if I will press the button, this is the dry position. Okay, next, the fan position, it's right under this button, so click the fan position and you're done. The signal is received. You can start the test, and I think if you are click yes, it asks us for a beep. We heard a beep, and this is how you can pair up your we have auto cool, dry heat, but I think we have a night mode. I didn't go to next. I don't know what the next button offered, but I'm okay with this. Done, because the Ambi Climate will will work with the AC. No paired AC. Okay, we are good. We are at 80 degrees. So we want to go to 23. Let's see, 24, 25 degrees. Okay, we are good in 25 degrees. It'd been great if the manufacturer made some kind of asking, how are you feeling? Well, I'm feeling hot. So these settings are from your perspective. I think these settings are from the people's perspective to change. How are you feeling? A little cold or a little, if you are let's say I want to set it up, if I'm hot, I want to lower the temperature, and I want to tell Ambi Climate that I'm too warm, and let's see what's happening with the air conditioner. I'm too warm. I think it will start to generate cold air. So yes, it started to generate cold air. So I click I'm comfy, and comfy mode stops the cold air from the air conditioner and is just ventilating now. Now I'm curious with a single thing. So for example, I'm not in Wi-Fi mode and I'm in 4G mode. I want to see if I can turn on and off this Ambi off mode. Okay, and let's see if the air conditioner will turn off. Yes guys, it turns off. I can hear the beep to my air conditioner, it turns off. Now let's turn it on. For example, I'm away from my home. I want I'm in my car. I'm using the AC and the temperature. I want to set up in the home my temperature of 20 degrees, for example. Let's see, and it started up. Yes, and it's set up on the 4G network and work and cool down your room, and it's working guys. It's a great thing because if you are planning to distance remote control your air conditioner, this is the way to do it. And this is a fun thing. It's a small device that you will not notice in the room. It has a pleasant design and it works with your air conditioner, and I'm surprised how well it works. So guys, this is the product. It's a great product. I recommend you. If you have a well-known brand that doesn't have the Wi-Fi, it will make you a remote control and a good management, and you will have a lot of features that will help you: history analysis, the IC settings, device settings, timers. You will have timers if you don't have on your remote control, which you can now do with this remote control. This you will set a on timer and a off timer, and the most remote control of air conditioners are the same. You can set a single timer, and in this application you can set a lot of timers to turn on at a certain hour, on a specified day, on a comfort temperature way. I don't know, you can set up the degrees and you can do all kinds of things here. The temperature, it's here, or you can set up on comfortable way. You have a lot of features. I don't think even Samsung can set up the degrees. I'm curious if I can make this and set up the degrees when I schedule. Let's say schedule, and if you are seeing guys, I cannot set in Samsung the degrees if I am scheduling to turn on and the specified day. So yeah, it's a good product. I recommend you guys. You have a link in our description if you want to buy this product. It's a great product. We recommend you. Stay cool with your air conditioner and stay smart. If you have questions, if you want to create a community for this product, you feel free to comment in our box below. So have a great day, iTechnology Reviews. Subscribe that button. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.